Good morning everyone and welcome again to our another video. New day, new video, of course. And I hope everybody is so blessed today. And today we are going to talk about something real. Wow, something real. Kasi this is, I believe, something we have all experienced at some point in our life. Naniniwala ako na lahat tayo is pinagdaanan itong topic na to. So what I'm going to share with you today is, I titled it, Let Go and Let God. Di ba ang ganda? Actually, last night kasi parang I woke up, this morning I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning. So, I cannot sleep. So, sabi ko, I was talking to the Lord and sabi ko, Lord, may you please give me the wisdom. And then grabe yung utak ko na ang daming pumasok na ideas about topics that I can explain or topics that I can talk about in these videos. Actually, to be honest, I have 12. So grabe lang. Binigay niya talaga yung 2 linggo na topic ko. So yeah, this is the second one. So, I started yesterday. And ito yung aking second topic. And what we are going to talk about is yun nga, letting go. Sometimes kasi the hardest thing na that we can ever do is to let someone go in our life. Sakit, no? Yung, minsan yung instruction ng Lord is that you have to let go of this specific person in your life. Or kahit hindi tao, bagay, idolatry, di ba? Sometimes you have to let go all of those things na medyo, sabi ng Lord, hindi nakaka-help sa'yo, hindi nakakatulong sa growth mo. Alam mo yan? And sometimes, letting go isn't about weakness. Minsan kasi parang when we think about letting go is parang kahinaan yun eh. Yun kasi yung minsang iniisip ng tao. And worst thing is that iniisip mo sa sarili mo na mahina ka. And to be honest, it is not about losing actually. It is not about losing someone. It is actually about recognizing that some people in our life are not meant to be part of the chapter in our own story. Minsan kailangan nating tanggapin na may mga taong who comes and go in our life not to be part of the whole book, pero para lang bigyan tayo ng konting spices lang sa story, kumbaga. And some people that we think na akala natin parang this is the perfect person for us. Hindi pala sila yung main character ng libro natin. Meron palang naka-prepare ang Lord na mas magandang para sa atin. And sometimes, we hold on because of the memories. Kaya naman hindi tayo makabitaw-bitaw is kasi Lord, sayang yung years na pinagsamahan namin, sayang yung taon na ginugol namin to each other. We plan a lot of things together. We laugh together, we eat together, we do things together. Alam mo yon, yung everything about you or that person is pinipilit mo na, no, I want this. But the worst thing is that we are holding to that person because of our fear of being alone. Actually, the one thing that we fear in our life or in this letting go is yung fear to be left alone. oo naman, sino naman yung gustong maiwan, di ba? Especially if ang ganda-ganda na nang nangyari sa inyo, tapos biglang sabi ng Lord, oh, wait lang, pause, tama na, bitawan mo na, nakakarami ka na. Alam mo yan? But actually, if someone constantly makes you doubt your worth, if they no longer bring peace, but instead kaguluhan sa utak mo, kung holding on to someone who is no longer meant for your life, na walang nangyayari, maybe it's time to loosen up your grip. You know? Kasi kung hindi natin gagawin yun, may i-stuck lang tayo dun eh. May i-stagnant tayo dun, hindi tayo gumagalaw. You know? And letting go, remember that letting go is not rejecting love. Okay? It is choosing yourself. It is giving yourself the chance to heal, to grow, and to open doors for people who are truly meant to stay in your life. So, pag naman nag-let go tayo, hindi naman ibig sabihin na wala na tayong pakialamin sa kanila, you know. It only means that you are choosing self-respect, or we are choosing to respect ourselves enough to stop forcing what is not growing. Parang sinasabi natin that it is choosing peace over our pain and choosing freedom over our fear. Ang ganda, 'di ba? So, alam mo yan, sometimes if we struggle to let go someone, I know it's not easy, to be honest, because I have experienced it myself, and I can say that I don't want to go back in that dark place kasi ang hirap ko din kumawala. But if you are struggling right now to let go of someone, I want you to remember this. You have to trust the process. I know it's not going to be easy. I know it's easy for us to say na, let go. Bitawan mo na kasi it's just causing you too much pain. 'Di ba? But you know what? We have to trust the process. Do not resist yung process ng paghihilom. Alam mo yun? Huwag nating labanan yung nararamdaman natin. If you feel like masakit, if you feel like crying, cry. Umiyak ka. Walang pumipigil sa'yo. Pero wag kang papayag na manatili ka sa sitwasyon na yon. Remember, I told you, this is a season. Season to, so might as well enjoy it. Experience the pain. Ranasan mo, go ahead, pakiramdaman mo lahat ng sakit. Because you deserve the kind of love that feels light, hindi yung nagpapabigat sa puso mo. So let them go and let yourself grow. Letting go is making space for healing, forgiveness, and you are giving spaces for the... Letting go is making spaces for healing, for forgiveness, Hayaan mong maghilom yung puso mo. Kasi healing is very important pagka nag-let go ka. Because if you want to move forward after the letting go, you have to leave all the baggages behind. Kasi pagka nagdala ka ng kahit konting sama ng loob sa heart mo, I'm telling you, it will grow. Magiging cycle ang mangyayari sa'yo. Do not rush the healing process. Like I've said, you have to trust the process. You don't have to rush it. You just have to feel for it. And you know what? Once na nalagpasan mo yung season na to, the right person, the right people will truly come to you in your life. And these people, these are the people na tinalaga ng Lord na para talaga sa'yo. So right now, as Isaiah 43 verse 18 to 19 says, forget the former things. Kalimutan mo na yung mga nakaraan. Kasi nakaraan na yun eh. Sabi niya, do not dwell in the past. Because I am doing a new thing. Alam mo yun? Sabi niya ngayon, it springs up. Hindi mo ba yun nakikita? Yun yung sabi ng Lord. Sometimes the Lord remove people in our lives hindi dahil hindi niya tayo mahal. Hindi dahil gusto niya tayong sirain. Pinaparanas ng Lord sa atin yung sakit ng letting go. Hindi dahil para sirain tayo. But because He loves us so much that He will remove all those things and people na alam niyang makakasakit sa atin because He wanted to protect us. You see, yung mga bagay at tao na alam mong ikakatuwa, magbibigay sa atin ng happiness, yun pala yung mga taong magbibigay ng sama ng loob sa'yo. Alam mo yun? So, letting go makes room for the new thing that God is preparing. Tandaan mo, like I've said kanina, seasons to, pag ito nalagpasan mo, uulan na ng blessings. Sunod-sunod yung mga blessings mo. Pag ikaw nakalabas sa box ng wilderness, all of your prayers will be answered. And all of the things that you have asked from the Lord will be given unto you. It's just so wonderful, diba? So, to end this one, nag-iiwan ako ng isang line that sometimes the bravest thing that we can do is to simply let go. And remember that you are stronger than you think. So I hope you got something in this topic. Alam ko medyo mahaba na, but thank you very much and goodbye. God bless you all.